Hello everybody, my name is Teacher Karla and I want to share with you a recipe of fruit smoothie. We need 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of yogurt, 8 strawberries, 1 cup of blueberries, and 1 banana. So this recipe will be for 2 people. And then I have a couple spatulas to help me. So remember, you always need adults' help. Your parents can help you or your siblings, okay? So we're gonna use a blender. We're gonna put everything inside. So we're gonna add first the 2 cups of milk in my blender. I already measured them so you can see the numbers on the side. And then I will add 1 cup of yogurt. Right here, I will do another one because this is only half a cup. So I'm gonna add a little more. And then my 8 strawberries. I already cut them in half in pieces, so it will be easy. And then my blueberries, this is a cup of blueberries, so you can add like blackberries, any other fruit that you have at home. And my last ingredient will be my bananas. I cut 1 banana in 3 pieces. So I will add my 3 pieces here. And I will start my blender on. This will be only for 10 seconds, so if you can help me to count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's see. You also can add some ice on your smoothie so it can be fresh for those very nice warm days. Alright, see, for 2 people. So we hope you guys enjoy it with your family. Thank you and have a good day. Don't forget to share please and like our video. Thank you.